Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, showing 98,000 miles on the odometer. It features a sleek black exterior combined with a gray interior, creating a timeless and understated look that still feels relevant today. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a balanced mix of performance, durability, and driver engagement. The suspension is reported to be in good condition, contributing to a smooth and stable driving experience whether used for daily driving or light-duty work. Beyond its solid mechanical foundation, this vehicle offers a range of practical and comfort-enhancing features that add to its overall value. The 15-inch chrome wheels not only improve its visual appeal but also complement its classic truck styling. A sliding rear window provides added airflow and convenience, especially during warmer weather. The air conditioning system is functioning properly, ensuring a comfortable cabin environment, while cruise control makes longer journeys more relaxed and efficient. For in-cabin entertainment, the truck retains a cassette stereo, preserving its original charm and nostalgic character. Number 2. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,500, with 126,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 3.0L V6 gasoline engine and a 2WD drivetrain, offering a smooth and efficient driving experience with notably good fuel economy. The exterior comes in a burgundy finish complemented by a clean gray interior, which has been kept in very good condition. This truck is equipped with practical and functional features, including air conditioning that works well, manual windows, power steering, and an extended cab that provides additional space and comfort. It also includes a sliding rear window and like-new tires, enhancing both convenience and overall usability. The vehicle runs and operates exceptionally well, performing almost like new and reflecting excellent condition for its age. There is only minimal rust present on the bed, specifically around the wheel openings and at the rear section, but it remains very minor and does not detract from the truck's overall appearance and functionality. Overall, this Ford Ranger stands out as a very clean, dependable, and well-cared-for vehicle. Number 3. 1990 Ford F250, price $9,500. It has accumulated 178,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a comfortable and straightforward driving experience. It features a classic white exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean yet rugged appearance that suits its heavy-duty nature. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a strong big block engine, known for its durability and impressive torque, making it well-suited for demanding tasks such as towing and hauling. The inclusion of a 4x4 drivetrain further enhances its capability, allowing it to handle rough terrain, off-road conditions, or challenging weather with confidence. In addition, the long bed provides ample space for carrying large loads, making it highly practical for both work and everyday utility needs. Number 4. 1994 Toyota Pickup, price $6,799, as a well-maintained and dependable vehicle, especially for its age. It comes with a manual transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. The truck is configured as a 2WD short bed with a single cab and carries a clean title. While the odometer reads 350,000 miles, the engine was fully rebuilt and replaced around 330,000 miles, leaving approximately 20,000 miles on the new motor, which is reported to run in excellent condition. A major service completed in November 2025 included new fluids, filters, gaskets, hoses, a tune-up, and a serviced AC system that blows cold, ensuring solid mechanical performance. In terms of features, the truck includes power steering, air conditioning, manual windows, and a sliding rear window, all contributing to comfort and usability, along with good fuel efficiency and like-new tires. The body and paint remain in good condition with only minor rust on the bedsides near the wheel openings and rear section, while the interior is very clean. Overall, the truck runs and operates very well, making it a strong example of a reliable 1994 model. Number 5. 1985 Ford F250, price $6,800. It has been driven 12,345 miles and comes with a manual transmission. The vehicle features a green exterior paired with a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. Equipped with a 4-speed transmission including a granny low gear, along with a 351 Windsor engine that runs well, this truck offers solid performance both on and off the road. Its 4x4 system functions properly, and it rides on 35-inch mud tires with more than 80% tread remaining, making it suitable for rugged terrain. In terms of key features, the truck benefits from several recent replacements and improvements that enhance its reliability and usability. These include new dual fuel tanks, a new thermostat, computer, ignition coil. Additionally, the carburetor has been rebuilt, and the heating system works very well, ensuring comfort in colder conditions. However, there are a few downsides to note. The windows require new manual regulators, and the wing windows need new latches. Despite these minor issues, the truck remains in good running condition and presents itself as a strong, functional classic vehicle with dependable mechanical upgrades. Number 6. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, with 253,000 miles, yet it continues to run remarkably well. This particular truck is the SLE trim, which offers added comfort and convenience through features such as power windows and power door locks, an advantage over many trucks from the same generation that are commonly equipped with a V6 engine and manual windows. In terms of performance, the vehicle is described as running strong, making it suitable for daily driving or light-duty work. While the mechanical condition remains solid, there are a few minor issues to consider. The roof paint has faded over time, reflecting normal wear for its age, and the air conditioning system currently loses freon, which may require maintenance. Number 7. 1997 Ford F250, price $3,000. It has been driven approximately 400,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline. The truck comes with several comfort and convenience features, including cold air conditioning, hot heating, power windows and door locks, tilt steering, and cruise control. It also includes an AM/FM stereo system with a CD player and leather seats. The tires are in good condition. Over time, many components have been replaced or serviced, including new dual fuel tanks, a thermostat, computer, ignition coil, and starter, while the carburetor has been rebuilt. The heating system works very well. Number 8. 1999 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500. With 208,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The vehicle features a green exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It is equipped with a 5.2L V8 engine and a 4WD system, providing solid performance and reliability. The truck is reported to run well and comes with power windows and door locks for added convenience. While the air conditioning is not functioning, the heating system works properly. The front tires are older but remain in good condition, while the rear tires are newer. There is some peeling on the roof, but overall, the vehicle remains in decent shape for its age. Number 9. 1971 Dodge D100, price $9,990. It shows 87,817 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck features an attractive blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, reflecting its classic American styling. Under the hood, it is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, known for its durability and solid performance, making it suitable for both casual cruising and light-duty work. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has undergone several important updates to enhance its reliability and driving condition. These include a newly installed clutch, fresh tires, updated front-end components, and a refreshed braking system. Thanks to these improvements, the truck runs and drives well, offering a smooth and confident driving experience for its age. In addition, it is equipped with a radio for added convenience and entertainment, and it is exempt from emissions testing, simplifying ownership requirements. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,800, that has been driven 58,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior and interior, and a gasoline-powered 350 engine. It still retains its original paint, adding to its authentic vintage appeal. The truck runs and drives well, though it currently requires a new battery and starts using a push-button due to a minor issue with the ignition switch. Overall, the vehicle remains in good condition for its age, with only minor rust on the front fenders. The bed is notably clean, showing careful use over the years. Additionally, it includes an extra rear bumper without a hitch and several exterior trim pieces.